Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Liberty Mutual Insurance Review My US Policyholder Experience. Liberty Mutual Insurance Review My US Policyholder Experience focuses on providing information and insights about Liberty Mutual auto, home, and renters insurance policies from a US policyholder perspective. It's aimed at those considering Liberty Mutual, current policyholders looking to understand their coverage better, or anyone researching insurance options in the United States. Key aspects covered often include policy details, claims processes, customer service experiences, and pricing comparisons. Their website provides details on their various insurance products. The intended benefit of sharing policyholder experiences is to offer transparency and help potential customers make informed decisions. While not directly from Liberty Mutual itself, these reviews aim to provide a real-world perspective on the benefits and drawbacks of their services, compared to competitors who may offer similar coverage. Availability of these reviews and experiences varies based on the platforms and individuals sharing them. Now, let's talk about my personal experience exploring Liberty Mutual Insurance reviews as a US policyholder. My initial goal was to compare my current auto insurance with Liberty Mutual's offerings. I started by searching online and found several websites and forums dedicated to insurance reviews. Navigating these platforms was relatively straightforward. I used filters to narrow down reviews to my specific state and coverage needs. Reading through individual experiences, I found a mix of positive and negative feedback. Some praised Liberty Mutual's accident forgiveness program and relatively smooth claims process, while others mentioned difficulties with rate increases or communication issues. I was particularly impressed by the level of detail in some reviews, including specific examples of interactions with customer service and claim settlements. One minor drawback was the sheer volume of information. Sifting through it all to find relevant experiences took some time. I also had a quick question about a specific policy feature, and I reached out to Liberty Mutual directly through their online chat. Their support responded within a few hours, answering my question effectively. Overall, while the process required a bit of digging, I'm quite satisfied with the insights I gained from exploring these Liberty Mutual Insurance reviews. It definitely gave me a better understanding of what to expect as a potential customer. That's my overview of Liberty Mutual Insurance Review My US Policyholder Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.